What's up, y'all? I'm back with another banger. So, y'all, I'm having Popeyes or whatever, as you can see. I got a spicy and a regular chicken sandwich. And then I got 2 apple pies and a whole bunch of chicken. You can't forget the biscuits or whatever. So, I know I ain't did a video in a long time for y'all. Or whatever. But shot been going through it. My brother passed or whatever, and I was trying to figure out how to grieve. So I'm like, okay, let me just do a video for you. You know what I'm saying? Let me just do a video that my supporters and my fans know, the few that I do have. Let y'all know that I'm still on. You know what I'm saying? I'm still eating. But I don't know, like, when you go to the job license place, they ask you for your bank statements. They asked you for all this extra stuff just to get out of here. Today I was just like, Today I was not really in the mood to be going to no driver's license place. They want to see every damn thing. But yeah. How y'all been lately? I know y'all like, she ain't posted in a long time. But yeah. I know I ain't posted in a long time already. So yeah. I was just mad today. Cause them folks, they was up in there acting crazy. Like, I don't know. Atlanta need to get it together for real.